Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Hello!
We are at the LZ compound and I bought another car.
Konbawa!
I bought one of Adam's cars.
Yabai!
I think it may be your worst car.
Majide?
I can't believe how good his Japanese has got. This is great. All right. Well,
3, 2, 1.
Oh, God. This is it. Big E36 guy now. I'm excited.
To be fair, I didn't want to sell this car. Owen's been working on it, trying to get it up to par. I wanted to have an extra car so that the guys could kind of like do some laps with us because I know I'm gonna be hogging stinky. So, Sam, I know you needed a car. You don't have a truck and trailer or a way to get a car here.
That's right.
So you are getting exactly what I have into this pig. There's a bunch of surprises in it. I have yet to open up all the boxes in here.
There's a lot of boxes, bro.
Dude, there might be some good parts in here. I'll tell you what though, that big box in the trunk, if you open it and show it on video, that means you gotta buy it. That one is mine.
Okay.
You know what that is.
I don't know what that is.
I told you what that is, but I was saving it for content when this car was gonna be.
Oh, you're right.
You know, if you show it on video, I lose the element of surprise, so then you would have to buy it.
Okay.
But, yeah, I don't know what else is in here. There's definitely some goodies.
This looks great.
Dude, it's...
Hey, chassis mounted shifter.
It's a... Look, the rear is lightweight. The shifter's new. We swapped the trans. We put a brand new clutch in it. New motor mounts, new trans mounts.
Okay.
Don't let the box fool you. There's no floor underneath it.
It's open.
I think, Sam, I think you should just have some fun. I think you should just cut out everything. It's already like that. And it comes with a spare set of doors. Look.
Spare set of doors.
Already gutted.
I like that.
Wait, no, these ones aren't gutted.
Oh, okay. But still, spare doors, spare panels. E36. All right, so I know nothing about BMWs. Okay. You got to tell me what this is.
This is a 325i. This is not a great car. It is. The reason why people love this engine because they love boost. So like people are actually crazy about the M50s. You put a turbo on it and make power reliably. Okay. We've just been buying them because they are pretty reliable actually. As long as you overhaul the cooling system and they don't crack, they'll just sit on limiter all day. They won't overheat. You'll probably make about 170 horsepower. Nice. The cars, like Duarte gutted his, he got it to weigh 2,400 pounds. The gearbox is a weak point. The ZF would be better, which is on the 328s, but the 328s tend to have more head gasket issues, so it's kind of a little bit of a game. But yeah, this thing, it should rip and have fun. The only thing you gotta do to get this thing on par with the other ones, you gotta put a 391 in it.
A 391?
It's got a welded in it, but it's probably like a 3.2 or 3.4 right now, so second gear is just a little bit of a struggle. Okay. You'll see.
All right, cool. We'll figure that out. Looks good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got two bumpers. That's a start.
Yeah, honestly, it could be a lot worse.
Right, I think this is great.
And under the hood is actually one of the better places to find on the car. The hood definitely. Oh wow! Good. But like there's everything's there, you know. The big engine. The shroud.
Tape on the intake. Love that. Yeah. Maybe I'll find a thing for that. But yeah, cool. I'm excited. Let's get this thing started.
Oh yeah, we gotta fix the door handle. Well, you gotta fix the door handle now. It does open. It's just you gotta here. Don't. That's not how to make things open. You don't pull on them harder, Sam. Here, hold this. I'll figure it out. God, don't break my car that I just. It opens. How it opens, I don't remember, but it does.
I can just climb in.
Yeah, you should just climb in.
Yeah.
Because I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, just watch out, the seat's not bolted in. That's one of your two options for seats that come with the car.
All right, sounds great. Let's go.
You actually got a bit of headroom in these cars, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
For a tall guy?
Is the steering wheel meant to be on a mad angle?
What's wrong?
Dead.
It is?
Does it jump back on?
I don't know, let me check. Try again. Open head. Reverse is, yep, there you go. think so far?
I love it. I think we're gonna find some goodies in here. It's like if you just cold jump on.
Send it. It looks like it works pretty good.
There's no handbrake at all. I went to tip it in and I just left it. It did nothing.
First drifts in this thing.
First drifts, big E36 guy. I'm so excited about this.
Hell yeah.
Just swings around.
Let's get the seat mounted, okay?
Yeah, let's maybe do that. That was what was stabbing me in my shoulder.
To the shop. SAMMIT.
So the whole plan with this car is essentially a Florida compound car. Adam, what are we doing?
Everybody got pretty much the same exact car. It started with stinky, then it got into sketchy, and then everyone was like, I want to get into the fun. So we all got matching cars. They all have the same engine. They're all gonna make the exact same horsepower. We're all gonna have the same exact tire. And it's gonna be like Matt Surrey, except we're at the compound. Kind of a replacement. I don't want to say replacement. Usually we would do this anyway around the invitational time. We didn't end up doing the invitational this year just because, quite frankly, all the world tour stops were a lot for us to handle, so we kind of simplified it. We went back to just doing like a toy drive meetup. Still wanted to have a reason to have the homies in town, so we're all driving beater E36s. We'll crash into each other, make a bunch of smiles, and some good content for y'all.
Exactly. So, what perfect opportunity then for me to finally get an E36. You guys have heard me say it so many times now, but I've been wanting to get one forever. And what better than a shitbox? There's no real other way to describe it. So thank you, Adam. Thank you for finding this for me. Now let's go through and find out what came in the car, and I think maybe we should get some gloves.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited for this part because I never got to see what was in the car.
Oh, so you haven't even gone through it yet?
Nope. It looks like there's some good stuff in here. I'm not gonna lie.
This is interesting. All right, let's find out. Let's dig in.
Yeah. What the heck is this? You think this is a car cover?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Oh, shifter trim. Aluminum. This is not a car cover, is it? Oh, whatever it is, it's just components everywhere. These doors, I feel like, are still pretty heavy. So you can cut this bar out, and that'll save you even more weight.
I think I'd like at least something there.
Yeah, I feel you on the seat. So these I bought. These are just seat brackets and sliders.
Okay, cool.
But you get them with the car.
Thank you. This actually is bolted.
Airbag?
Airbag? We might have some fun with that later. What's that?
I don't know. Feels like a brake line.
As long as we don't find like a head gasket brand new in a packet or something.
This looks like maybe a handbrake cable.
Okay, well that would make a lot of sense because the handbrake doesn't work at all.
This is a window regulator. We don't need that where we're going.
Nope.
Maybe this is another handbrake cable.
Okay. Cool. Handbrake cables. Maybe we'll have a working handbrake.
This looks like a new outer tie rod end, brand new.
Hell yeah. Usually that's like, this is like a list of everything that probably needs to get worked on.
Maybe. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the
that's the intake with the duct tape.
That's funny.
That's great.
Fresh set of plugs?
Yo!
Man, I should have taken some of this stuff. I don't know what that is, but you won't need that.
That's broken.
Yo, oh my goodness, another outer and inner tie rod.
Yo, this is great. I could probably make some of the money back that we're spending on this.
Well, there's definitely ants in here, so.
Oh, they're great. Oh, look at the mold on this passenger seat. Oh, is this bolted in? It actually is. Okay.
I would get rid of that.
Yeah, weight reduction. It's down here. Wait, what's this? Free
self-tappers?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
It's actually a good looking now. There we go. Bro, it works.
What?
How crazy is that?
What are those?
I think that's reinforcements.
Oh, for the trailing arms, maybe?
I don't really know a lot about E36s. That looks like that's a rear strut reinforcement, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
Doesn't that kind of look like the bolt spread for a rear strut top? Either that or trailing arms, and I'm done.
I'll send a photo to Chelsea. He'll tell me.
So, this is his new purchase. What do you think?
What do you think, Spencer?
New?
Yeah. Yeah, never drifted. One owner.
Only one owner.
Yeah. Who would have known?
I wouldn't second guess that.
You got a sunroof in here. So I bought the car, and I never even looked at all the stuff that was in it, and it's just full of boxes of random stuff.
It's like a storage wars thing.
Oh, it actually comes with the sunroof?
You get all the
Holy
stuff that comes
shit! No wonder people delete these. Feel how heavy that is.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're just gonna put an aluminum plate on that. Or plastic.
in. What kind of valve caps did it come with?
Oh, that's a door cup.
panels.
Door panel.
What's up? Dude,
Jungle?
that's marijuana, dude.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You don't have that in Japan. You don't know what that looks like.
I was just thinking that was LZ compound thing.
Dude, black dash, dude.
Another one of these.
Big money.
Look at that. Love that.
Sorry. Alright, we might have run out of the good stuff.
There's so much walnuts in here. Max Peating Rod's coilover adjuster. Love that.
Sam, did you decide? Are you gonna show off the box in the trunk? Or are you gonna buy it?
I don't know. I don't know if I want it.
Is it a mystery box?
It's really cool, but I'm not allowing him to open it unless he
I
buys it.
do want to buy it. Hang on, how much was it?
I can look right now.
I know the least amount of cars that's ever walked in this building.
He's gonna keep taking this stuff out.
It has a turbo.
What is this?
This thing run? I mean, clearly run.
$515.
Shut up, really?
That's what it was.
I'm not paying for that.
Bro, you serious?
Sorry,
Let
it's
me
all.
show you off camera so you can see why you should buy this. If you install it on the car, I will go halves with you.
All right, done deal.
Now you get to open the box.
Let's go.
Man,
Yeah, this is a big box.
I was really excited for this part of the car. Ready for it? Hell yeah.
What is it?
This is gonna be
So ignorant.
This is the exhaust.
It's a superstar.
I really hope no one gets impaled on this.
No, so what we need to do, look, it needs to basically come out of the trunk like this. You need to just cut a hole in the center of the trunk. So this is
gonna be so good.
Tell me that won't be the coolest thing.
How much horsepower does this add to it?
Like 100.
This is hella crazy. Look, it's already got the right angle.
Yeah, look at this. Straight up through the hood. Just we'll do a center thing and just.
Yeah, but don't do it there. But yeah,
Yeah,
do it through the trunk.
That way it's not gonna actually get clipped
And this
off.
is a slip joint, so when you need to pull the trunk off, you can just. That's actually pretty nice. It's pretty high quality.
Oh, that's actually, yeah. Dang, okay. That's really nice.
That is.
Just envision this.
I can't believe I haven't seen one of these before.
Just drifting and like that.
Bro, it'd be even funnier if it was coming out the sunroof.
It's star power.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
That's
It's very
Mario
festive.
Kart.
Do you think it's allowed to do back pressure?
Could I put Christmas lights on it?
Yes, you can. So yeah, we got a Bosso pipe for this.
But you have to install it.
You know, watch that. I'm gonna be so jealous. He's gonna make a video installing a Bozozoku exhaust on my E36. 5 million views.
Then but then you'll invoice me later. I'll see it come in a PayPal request.
I don't do that.
Yeah, he does invoice.
I probably should do that though.
Wouldn't it just be easier to just plate this in? Or is it pretty big?
I feel like so you could buy a rear panel for the rear seat, but I think the rear seat's probably easier.
There's a hole down here. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
I didn't even notice that.
The battery, look at this battery tray. I mean, it's mounted better than what I've seen in Chris Rudnick.
You know why the seat's like this, right?
Huh?
I was dragging it with the golf cart.
What?
That's why she's a little messed up.
No, I definitely don't want that.
The original for sale ad said that the seat looked like it got eaten a couple times.
How did he end up getting the car?
Yep. I think this is a great start. Thank you, Adam.
Yeah, the car started off as a $1,000 car, just so you know. Pretty good car for $1,000. You see all this extra stuff that he doesnn't need?
That's what he's charging me for it.
You can make some things with that.
What's this?
Oh, it's your seat bracket.
Oh, another seat bracket.
Is there two?
2 seat brackets. Yeah, there's one there too. Cool. Awesome.
All right.
All right. Well, there you go. I don't really know what I need to call or name this car yet, but it definitely needs to be something along the lines of Rust Bucket and Smelly and Moldy and E36. If you have any ideas, put it down in the comment section. Do you have any ideas, Adam?
It's red, white, and blue, so I think it should be something American themed.
That's also Australian.
You're not wrong, but it's not Japanese.
No, it's not.
It's red and white.
You could do an American flag on the hood and a Japanese flag on the trunk.
Well, yeah, I guess with the Bossol exhaust that would kind of match. Anyways, I'm relying on you guys here. But yeah, we're gonna dig into this, figure out what it needs, what it doesn't need, and go from there. But the goal is cheap, budget, and simple. Oh, and weight reduction a lot.
That's already covered right here.
Thank you. So there we go, guys. We finally got an E36 on the channel. I know it's something I've talked about forever. Maybe it's not the E36 I wanted as my first one, but it's the one that we've got for now, and it's the one that's gonna do. And I've already learned so much about the car. I'm excited to be able to just get the chassis, figure out what we need to do, and do all the drift mods that we need, you know, angle kit, hydro, any other supporting mods like the diff and all that kind of stuff to get a N50 engine, I think they said it was. Like, you know, handling as good as it is. It's pretty much a drift missile here at the compound. It's, I guess, like the equivalent of a JZX 100, and I've heard that the original designer for the E36 got poached by Toyota or left BMW and went and worked for Toyota to design the Chaser. I don't know how true that is, but I've heard a lot of people tell me that. So maybe that's why the cars actually look so similar in the rear ends. But yeah, anyways, it's pretty much what we're doing. We're building a missile, budget, super cheap Rust Bucket E36. You guys gotta let me know in the comment section what we gotta call this thing though, and I need to do some kind of hoodie design for it because I love this thing. It's awesome. I'm super excited to learn more about a new chassis, something we've never messed around with. I hope you guys can relate. I hope you guys are excited too. Maybe you can get a cheap E36 and do the same build. I don't know. But next video is gonna be good. Bunch of mods happening. We're gonna have that thing sliding in no time. I'm excited, I really am. This is just gonna get me hyped for a fresh like E36 right-hand drive on or something in Japan. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, before we wrap this out, massive thank you to Adam for one, selling me a car and for finding a car that I could actually purchase. And two, for allowing all of us to come here and have a bunch of fun in his compound. I'm excited, there's a lot of new concrete and fun stuff to do. And there's ponds and fountains to crash into. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, bye.